Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Gina Pramestia Lestari. I'm from Chemistry of Department, Faculty of Science and Technology, Wali Songo State Islamic University.
The title of the research is "The Effect of Stirring Speed and Time on the Extraction of Ca and Mg in Dolomite as a Component of Foliar Fertilizer."
Cited by Sulaminingsih 2024, the agricultural sector plays a crucial role in the economy, including in Indonesia. Increasing demand for food drives the agricultural sector to increase production. Despite high consumer demand for food, product quality and research efficiency must also be considered. Farmers use fertilizer as a source of nutrients for plants, the increasing production. Availability of sufficient nutrients in the soil is one factor that influences plant productivity. Nutrients required by plants include macro and micronutrients. The use of dolomite in fertilizer production is carried out through extraction using a stable and effective solvent. When such solvent is an acidic solvent such as nitric acid or HNO3, formulation of the problem is number 1. How does the speed and time of stirring affect the extraction of Ca and Mg in dolomite as a component of foliar fertilizer? And then what is the optimum stirring speed and time for extracting Ca and Mg in dolomite as a component of foliar fertilizer? So the purpose of the research is determine the effect and the optimum storing speed and time for extracting Ca and Mg in dolomite as a component of foliar fertilizer. Significance of the research is provide information and provide data on the effect and optimum condition. Cited by Dewanto et al. 2017, in general, fertilizer consists of two types, inorganic and organic. Inorganic fertilizer are made from chemical, physical, or biological engineering and are produced by industry or fertilizer factor. A mineral is chemically considered dolomite if it is composed of calcium and magnesium and contains oxide and hydroxide element. Theoretically, pure dolomite contains 55% MgCO3 or 22% MgO and 54% CaCO3 or 30% CaO. Dolomite is a fertilizer often used by farmers to increase soil pH. Cited Basuki et al. 2019, it was shown that there was a significant influence of fertilizer use on increasing soil pH up to 17 months after application. Cited by Royani 2016, dolomite or dissolution process in hydrochloric acid. This study aimed to determine the effect of acid concentration and process temperature on the dissolution of dolomite using hydrochloric acid. The results show the magnesium and calcium extraction tend to increase with increasing acid concentration and dissolution temperature.
Location of research. The research was conducted during internship at the Research Laboratory Research Department PT Pupuk Kujang Cikampek. Tool used in research: number 1, picker glass, measuring cups, micropipette, dropper and volumetric pipette, test tub and rag, vortex, Hamilton detectors, spatula, stirring rod, glass funnel, picnometers, filter paper, atomic absorption of spectrophotometry. The material used in this research is dolomite, nitric acid, and distilled water. Research procedure. Number 1, extraction. Dolomite, weigh 20 grams of dolomite and added 300 ml of 15% dolomite solution. The solution was stirred with a magnetic stir. The process was repeated at 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours and stir speed of 200, 250, 300, and 350 rpm. The dolomite extract was a filter. Result is dolomite extract. Number 2, analysis of MgNO3 extraction result. A standard series of solution for Mg was prepared with concentration of 0.2, 0.5, 1, 1.5, and 2 ppm. 20 microliter of the extract is taken into a test tub and homogenized by vortex. Sample can be measured to determine Mg using LRS. The result is Mg in MgNO32. Number 3. Analysis of CaNO32 extraction result. Materials: dolomite extract. A standard series of solution for Ca is prepared with concentration of 2.5, 5, 10, 15, and 20 ppm. A 100 microliter sample was taken and homogenized by vortex. Sample can be measured to determine Ca using LRS. The result is Ca in CaNO32. Result and discussion. Research procedure number 1. Result and discussion is extraction. The separation of dissolved component into a solvent is called solid-liquid extraction process. The extraction process uses 20 grams of dolomite as the solute and 15% HNO2 as the solvent. The variables used are stirring time hours and stirring speed RPM, which are varied. The stirring time used are 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours, and the stirring speed used are 200, 250, 300, and 350 RPM. This variation is used to see how these two parameters affect the efficiency and characteristic of the result. Variations are part of the optimizing the extraction process to obtain the best condition that can later be used for the manufacture of fertilizer or other materials. Solution: dolomite is a mixture of calcium carbonate CaCO3 and MgCO3 that occurs CaMgCO32 plus 4 HNO3, CaNO32 plus MgNO32 plus 2H2O plus 2CO2. The extraction result in a clear solution mix with browny sediments. If left to stain, the brown sediment will be visible in the clear solution. Number 2. Analysis of MgNO32 extraction result. Graphs show that the Mg dissolution process was quite stable during the 4 hours extraction at a stirring speed of 300 rpm. So, it can be concluded that increasing the extraction time can result in a decrease in the Mg content. A higher stirring speed can also result in a less efficient Mg dissolution process. Number 3. Analysis of CaNO32 extraction result. CaNO32 graph analysis. Based on the graph, it was found that the extraction time of 4 hours with a stirring speed of 300 rpm. This condition at 300 rpm for 4 hours provide the most efficient and optimal result in Ca dissolution. Conclusion: based on the research that has been done, it can be concluded: Number 1. Increasing the stirring speed within 4 hours is sufficient to prove the extraction of magnesium nitrate MgNO32 and calcium nitrate CaNO32 from dolomite using HNO3 15%. Number 2. Stirring speed of 300 rpm for 4 hours show high extraction rate for CaNO32 and efficient of stirring speed of 300 rpm and stirring time of 4 hours result in effective extraction of MgNO32. Although still far from the theoretical result, this condition is quite effective compared to other extraction time speed. The CaNO32 content is also at this condition. The level obtained exceeds the theoretical is due to the Ca dissolution process that occurs beyond the theoretical estimation or estimate. Suggestion: further research is recommended to use for detailed time variation. For example, in the range of 1 hour with a stirring speed of 250 to 350 rpm. This variation is used to identify a more precise optimum point so that it is useful in process efficiency and the quality of extract result on a larger scale.